Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your constant support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for 9,000 subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel and always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take any of you for granted. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be trying a treatment I have never used before. I got the inspiration to try this treatment from a natural hair YouTuber called Deli B. She made this hair mask to stop hair loss on her channel months back, so I decided to try it out, and guys, the result is so impressive. So guys, the first ingredient for this treatment is rice. I'm using the normal white rice we eat at home. You can use black rice or brown rice. I used half cup of rice because my hair is very thick. You can reduce the quantity depending on the length and thickness of your hair. Guys, always make sure to rinse your rice to get rid of any dirt. So after rinsing my rice, I went ahead and added it to my pot. Rice is really good if you're trying to grow long and thicker hair. It helps to balance the pH level of your scalp. It conditions the scalp and also promotes hair growth. I know that a lot of us are very familiar with rice water because it promotes healthy hair growth and also stop hair loss. The second ingredient is clove. If you're not new to this channel, you already know clove is one ingredient I like to use for all my hair growth treatment because it promotes healthy hair growth, it nourishes the scalp, stop itchy scalp, and also prevents hair breakage. I have a video of how to make clove water on this channel, and I also have a clove water 7 days challenge I did. So do well to check my description box for the link to the videos I just mentioned so that you can see how to make it for yourself. The last ingredient I added is coffee. Coffee is great for preventing hair loss. So these are the 3 simple ingredients I used for this hair mask, and I added water and let it boil till the rice was this soft, like the way we eat it at home. You have to make sure your rice is very soft so that your blender will be able to blend it. And at this point my rice was soft, so I turned off my heat and set aside the rice till it was cold enough for me to blend. So guys, I would advise you not to skip this part. Get a strainer with very tiny holes or use a wig cap, as I'm using a wig cap here, to strain your mask so that you don't end up with rice particles on your hair. You want to get a very smooth consistency, so make sure you don't skip this part, okay? I'm going to be using this hair mask to stop hair fall and grow my 4C natural hair longer, because at this point my natural hair is becoming thicker, so I'm also trying to retain length at this point. So I'm going to be trying other hair masks. Like I always say, if you have any video suggestion, if you have any treatment you want me to make, always feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'm definitely going to try it out. So guys, at this point you have to be a very patient person to get this mask out of the wig, because what is worth doing is worth doing well. So next thing, I'm going in with my clove and coffee oil because this helps a lot to stop hair breakage. The video of how to make this oil is on my channel, so make sure you check my description box for the video of how to make clove oil because it's really very good for your natural hair. So guys, I want to use this moment to remind you to please click on the subscribe button. If you have been watching without subscribing, click on the subscribe button and make sure to like this video. It really helps my channel a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I apply this hair mask on my hair. So guys, this is what my hair is looking like. You can see how healthy and thick my hair is looking like. My natural hair treatment are really working for my hair, and I'm really grateful for the people that are actually trying out my treatment because I've been getting a lot of good feedbacks of lately. So guys, this is what I did. I sectioned my hair into 4 parts and I just went in with the hair mask. I was very generous with the amounts because I want to make sure every part of my hair benefits from this hair mask. So guys, just keep watching and see what I did. Okay guys. So guys, after the application, I'm going to cover my hair with a shower cap and I will leave the treatment on my hair for 1 hour. After that, I'll go ahead and rinse it off. I'm going to be repeating this treatment once every week because I want faster hair growth. I really hope you found this video helpful, and when you try out this treatment, please don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section. And guys, this will be all for this video. Till I see you all in my next video. Bye bye.